Hello everyone, I'm Shivam Thakur. Welcomes you all to my YouTube channel Shivan's Tech Guys. I hope you all are doing well practicing your AutoCAD learning sessions. Guys, today's video for Mr. Says who sent us a mail to just to know how we can make a toy spherical disc. So many of our viewers may not be able to understand what is toy spherical disc. So let's understand firstly what is toy spherical disc. This is the upper head of this vessel from this part to upper part from here to here. This is a curved portion, and this part is known as a spherical disc. Actually, this is a drawing of a vessel, upper and lower side toy spherical disc with 10%. So guys, in this way we can understand how we can make this. The ID internal diameter of this tank is 1100. So we will understand how we can make this. So guys, what we are gonna cover in today's video is that is toy spherical disc. So just write its height here. I just thought I'll make a line here. I'll make a circle and then I'll use the trim command, trim or fillet command. So what? After some time I got the right process. So today I'm gonna share that kind of process with you. Now if you the ID of this vessel is 1100, you want to make a disc of 1100 ID. So what you have to do, you just need to draw a circle of 1100 radius. Just click here and enter the radius is 1100. This I draw here as simply. What I need to do, once I draw a circle, I just need to draw a line from this tangent point to the center line. Let's draw more, something like this. Now what I need to do, the ID is 1100. You can ID is 2200 of this circle, right? So now what we have to do is, we just need to just do it here. ID is 1100. Just select this line and do offset. On 550 on half of the dia. Offset distance is 550. Then enter. I just press one offset here of this line, one offset here of this line, and just enter. And now what we have to do, we have to make a disc of 10% toy spherical disc. 10% means we have to give this kind of radius as relativity of 10%. This radius will be 10% of dia. So now our dia internal ID is 1100. So what we have to do, we have to use the fillet command for 110. 110 here and enter, and just click on multiple. So just select this and select this, select this and select this, something like this. So guys, this has been almost complete. Now what I need to do here, I just need to give one more line here. Draw a 25 or 50 mm line straight, then take it here and then press select, match this line to this point. Let's use the trim command. Let's select the trim command, trim this part, trim this part, this part. Just trim these kind of parts. Sorry. So guys, this is our upper part. This is a toy spherical disc with 10% radius, as we can see. Now we can place this disc anywhere where we want. Just by selecting this and by using move command, we can place it anywhere. Just by clicking here and we can place it anywhere. Or we can start making our tank vessel from here. So this would be the idea of our tank, and this kind of process we can follow. for showing the thickness of this disk, you can use the offset command. Offset command for 5. As suppose our disk would be of 5 radius. So what we need to do, we just need to offset this with this way. So I hope you understand how we can make a spherical disk. Just leave the dimension here. Just give me a moment for increasing the size of the dimension. Next side. Our internal diameter of this is 700. Our radius of this is 110. And increase the size of this also. And our linear distance from this point to upper line, from this point to this line, this is known as a distance. And we also need to know this one distance. This distance is known as SF. SF stands for straight face. First match this property, select this, use match property command. This is something like this. This is 50. This is 110. So guys, I hope you understand how we can make a spherical disk. This is the height of our disk. This is the straight face that we use in every disk. This is the ID of disk, and this is a 10% spherical radius. So I hope you understand. If you like the video, if you got the information through this video, please like and share the video, and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting the notifications of any upcoming videos. Thank you so much for clicking the video.